Pretty early on, me and other people from Asian background, there was comments such as, "You lot sit over there near the toilets," elephant washers. The word "paki" was used constantly, and there just seems to be an acceptance in the institution from the leaders, and no one ever stamped it out. As soon as they got my evidence, it felt like they were like, "Wow, we've got a problem here." And suddenly it felt like it went away from the institutional and working with the club, they tried to make it about individuals. And that's why, unfortunately, the last couple of weeks, some individuals have had a really tough time. But I didn't present my evidence like that. It was never intended like that, and that was never the allegation. But that's what the club, the lawyers, and the panel in particular have tried to do. I mean, to make one thing very clear, Paki is not banter. Racism is not banter. For the first time, I started to see for what it was. Felt isolated, humiliated at times. Constant use of the word Paki. In 2017 pre-season tour, we were in a place, and Gary Balance walks over and goes, "Why are you talking to him? You know he's a Paki." Or, "He's not a sheikh, he's got no oil." And this happened in front of teammates, it happened in front of coaching staff.